The first thing I wanted to show you is how to create a banner or a title for your PowerPoint using something other than is available just in PowerPoint. You can see here I created titles saying extrinsic, intrinsic, 2 views of learning. And the way I did that is through a website called Flaming Text. So I'm just going to go to flamingtext.com. It's written on your instructions. I would pick a logo that I like. There's lots of choices, but a logo style that I like. And the first thing I'm going to do is type in my text. And I'm going to change the font size to be between 45 and 50 because that's going to fit better on my PowerPoint slide. I can also change the font if I'd like, and there's millions of fonts. Well, not millions, but many fonts in here. So I could change the font style if I wanted to, or I can just leave it alone with the one that they originally had. So you can see, and then there's all sorts of different fonts. Let's say I'll stick with this. Then I'm going to go to the word logo. If I wanted to change the color, I'm just going to simply click and colors will change. I can do sort of anything I want with it. This may not be the best looking, but just to show you, I'm going to leave it like that. I could go to the word shadow if I wanted to and change the shadow that's around the letters. I'm going to leave it alone, but I could play with these and change it. One thing that is important is I'm going to click on the word background, and I'm going to give it a transparent background. That means when I put it on my PowerPoint, it won't have a white square or a colored square around it. It'll just be the words themselves. And so then I'm ready to create my logo. So I'm going to create the logo. And it's always going to ask you whether you want to use it for commercial use or personal use. We're not being paid for these PowerPoints, so it's not commercial use, it's personal use. And I'm going to right-click on the word after it's created, and I'm going to save the image. When I go to save the image, it comes up with this funny, cool logo number. I would not remember what that was, so I'm going to change it to Learning Theory Title. And I'm going to click Save. And now I'm ready to embed it in my PowerPoint. So that's how I create titles and logos.